Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Raspberry Pi based speed control system in speed limited areas. So here we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico HT12D decoder, RF 433 MHz module, receiver module, and it is connected to the GPIO of 6789 GPIO pin, 5 volts power supply, increment decrement button of connected with GPIO2 and GPIO3, 16 cross 2 LCD display. It is connected with RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 10 11 12 13 14 15 pin. And here we are applying the PWM technique, pulse width modulation, and the 16th pin PWM 0A, that is connected to the GPIO 16th pin L293D 60 RPM motor, and transmitter module, that is speed limit area 9 volts battery 433 MHz module HT12E 80 60 40 speed limit areas. So let us coming into the hardware part. 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here we are using an L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC, to drive the DC motor, and two switch buttons, increment button and decrement button. So here GPIO 16th pin, it is connected to the PWM, and input to the L293D, output to the DC motor. So Raspberry Pi Pico module I am using. Okay, so 10 11 12 13 14 15 LCD display, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. HT12D decoder, it is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico of 6 7 8 9 pins. 2 3 are the switch buttons. So this is the transmitter module to giving the speed limit area. Okay, so now I am giving the input to the first input to speed limit area. Okay, so now I am going to switch on the power supply, vehicle speed limit controller. Now vehicle speed is 0 mph. Okay, so now I am increasing the speed. Slowly it is rotating with PWM technique, 1.5 volts. Now I am increasing the speed. The motor speed also increases. So 16th pin PWM pin. Okay, so now the motor is going, the vehicle is moving 60 speed. So now I am going to convert to 40. Okay, so speeding, over speeding detected, capping speed to 40 mph, because here I am providing 40. Now the speed will decrease. So speed limit set. Okay na? So now I am removing this. Speed is set to 40. Okay, now I am increasing the speed. Okay, now it is 50 60 70 80. Vehicle speed also increased. See this? Okay, so maximum speed is 100, maximum speed. So now I am giving the speed limit 80. Okay, over speed detected. So capping speed goes to 80. Okay, now speed limit set to 80. Okay, speed 80. Now I am going to give 60. Okay, I given to 60. The speed will decrease. Okay, I press to. Okay, 60, speed decreased. Capping speed 40. Okay, 40 it was rotating. Okay, okay, speed is 40. So now I am giving to 20. Okay, so now I am going to decrease the speed. 30, 20. Speed limit controller and speed limit areas. So power supply module and L293D, and here PWM technique, 60 rpm motor and increment button. Speed is increasing. 100. Okay, okay, 80 40 60, sorry, 80 60 40 20. Okay, speed will decrease. Okay, now I am going to 70, 60, okay, 50, 40, 20, 30. Speed will also decrease.